So I get a lot of questions about my workflow and how I use QuickTime Pro to sort of weld audio and video together at the end of the process. So in this particular case, this is a music video that I shot for Gabrielle Graves, and at the moment there is no sound on it. This is the ProRes render that came out of After Effects CS6, and I never do audio in After Effects. I always export a file with zero audio on it at all. If you look up here in the Properties window, in fact, let's close this so I can show you how to get there. You go to Window, Show Movie Properties, and see I've got a video track and a timecode track, but no audio. So I'm going to add the audio that I exported out of Logic Audio. Open it in QuickTime Player 7 Pro. I'm going to hit Command A to select all. I'm going to hit Command C to copy it. And now I've copied this entire audio file. I'm going to come to my video file here and I'm going to hit Command A. You ask, why is that? I don't know why, but it just works better this way. Hit Command A and then I'm going to hit this button here to skip back to the very, very beginning, the first frame. I'm going to click Edit, Add to Movie. And now you can see I have a soundtrack in here as well. And if we go back to, was it 221? Yeah, and play. There's our audio perfectly in sync. Then all you have to do is click Save. You hit Command S and you're done. Now, if you have soundtrack completely welded to your video track, you can use that for exporting purposes, uploading to the internet, whatever you want to do. It's that simple.